is your girl Stacey Woo. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today, my boo, you already know we're gonna be busting it up and painting in some makeup. But I've been hearing that the new trend is the graphic, not like a line, but like this graphic, like eyeshadow look. When somebody tell me that's the trend, you know I got to see what it is. You know what I mean? You know I got to push myself to see if I can create it. You dig me? So starting off, we're going to be starting off with the crayon case. So we're going to be jumping into this. First of all, look at all these colors. Like, sis is giving you range. If don't nobody see you, I see you, boo, you know. Before we jump into the eyeshadow, we're going to be starting off with this Plouise Mama Mitchell paint. Matter of fact, let me zoom you in so you can get in. You figured it? So now, starting off, we're going to be jumping into this Plouise, the Mama Mitchell Acid Rain, and this is in the color Raver. And we're just going to be drawing the graphic out before we shadow it. And like create a graphic kind of like wing. And now I'm gonna bring it down. We're gonna just take a pink really quick and we're gonna jump into funky. Blend the edges. We gonna blend this. We gonna see if we could create it, baby. You know, the thing is, you got to try. You got to push yourself. You feel me? Blend the edges out a little bit with a pink. Okay. So now we're gonna be jumping back into this crayon case, and we're gonna be jumping into Jefferson, and we're gonna be taking the Jeffersons on this M507, and we're going to darken it up. And I'm gonna take funky and then I'm gonna jump into this M456 brush and I'm just going to brush that out. So now since I have that down, like shaped it a little bit, I'm gonna jump into this Reckless out of the Stacey Marie palette real quick. And I'm gonna take this e.l.f. brush, it's like a real dense brush, and I'm gonna just deepen my crease. All right, I'm kind of like feeling that, you know. So now since we have that down, we're going to jump right into this color case real quick. Jumping into this brown. I'm gonna jump into this Sigma E42 brush. And I'm just gonna take that brown and right here, I'm gonna just stamp it. So now I'm gonna jump right back into that crayon case and I'm gonna jump right into this St. Martin. And I'm just going to tap it. And we're gonna just lightly blend out the edges. So now, since we have this kind of like down, we're gonna do a wing liner. I'm going to jump into Ecstasy. Alright, so now since we have that down, we're going to definitely jump into Mood. And then we're going to jump into this Morphe 213 brush and we're just going to take that and just stamp that right over top, just like that. So now since we have this eye down, I'm really feeling this eye, y'all. What y'all think? Yeah, okay. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna real quick throw on some mascara, pop a lash on, and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna do face and under eye highlight and all that good stuff. All right, my boo, so as you can see, I got these lashes down really quick. So now we're gonna be jumping into that Reckless, that dark color that we use, and I'm just gonna stamp this right under my eye real good, just like that. And I'm not going too far. I'm stopping right here, like in the middle of my eye. And then we're going to jump right back into that funky, that light pink color, and we're going to blend that out really good. Just like that, baby. I really like how this look really came out. Like, it came out so cute, didn't it? Okay. All right, my boo. So now since we had that down, we're going to speed it up and we're going to jump into this Fenty Beauty eyeliner. Lay that on there. Boom, just like that. And then we're going to be jumping into the Fenty Beauty, the black mascara, because I'm black. So now since we have that down, we're going to be jumping into face. We're going to be starting off with primer because I've already greased and moisturized my face or whatever. So we're going to be starting off with the Laura Mercier. This is the Pure Canvas Primer. So we're going to be smacking this on here real good, real sexy or whatever. So what has been going on, my boo? How have you been? Me, I've been doing good. I've been exhausted though, because I've been working real hard and just staying out the way. You feel what I'm saying? Like, girl, don't nobody got time. Like, I ain't really worried about nobody else. I'm not really worried about what everybody else is doing. I'm just doing me. Period. Okay, y'all know I got these lines all on my face, so this is the e.l.f. setting powder. I'm just gonna take that, stamp that on your lines just real quick. You know the lines gonna come, but you know we can do everything that we can to prevent them. You know what I'm saying? So now since we have that down, we're going to be jumping into foundation, and we're going to be jumping into the Nars. I just bought this e.l.f. Complexion Kit, so we're just going to just take the blurring brush and we just gonna stamp this right over the face and just see how that work out. Oh, okay, blur. Yeah, blur that thing out. Cause lately I only been doing 2 pumps on my face, and it actually been really working on my face. Like, seriously, like, yeah, that's what 2 pumps do. Baby, you don't need less is more. You know, we're going to be jumping into the Charlotte Tilbury, and this is in the color Dark Fonce. Charlotte is a little handicap. Ooh, but my sponge is broke, y'all. I need to just start using this on a brush instead of trying to use this brush. It's something about this Charlotte Tilbury. I just can't get enough of this Charlotte Tilbury. So now since I have that down, we're going to be jumping into the Fenty Beauty. This is in the color 350, sis. Aha, boo, yes. And we only need a little bit of this because, you know, we just need a pop of light. Just like that, okay? Just a little. All we need is a little bit. Not a lot, baby girl, just a little bit. And I'm going to be letting that dry down just a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Just dry that down. So we're going to be jumping into the contour, and we're going to be using the Bobbi Brown. And we're just going, oops, ow, oh, me, Ray. So, okay. I'm going to try this angle brush. I'm going to just see how that work on contouring the skin, you know? Cause you know that contour kind of like suck you in like. So these brushes is good, okay? These brushes is good. It has a really nice blend. So we're gonna take this concealer brush and we're gonna hurry up and blend this out because we don't want it to dry down too much, you know? So I'm really feeling this concealer brush. Like it's doing pretty good. I like stuff just a little bit more dense, but it's doable, you know? So now we're just gonna have to see how it cleans up the inner part. Okay, so now we're gonna try the inner. See how that blends that. Oh yeah. What? Okay. Today, should I be bougie today? Yeah, I'm gonna be bougie today. I'm gonna be jumping into my Laura Mercier, okay? But I'm gonna just take this and I'm gonna just, this powder brush is a little big, that's what I will say. I'm gonna just set that really good. Very nice powder brush, okay? You know, I don't want too spotty. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna be jumping into setting this contour. Set that contour real good. And this is the Fenty Beauty, and this is the Cocoa Naughty, okay? I love setting my powder with this. Blend that all in. Blend that all in, okay? Oh. So now since we have that down, guys, I'm going to contour my nose. I don't know, but for some reason I'm always contouring my nose last. So I'm gonna take some of this Bobbi Brown. I'm just gonna take a fluffy little brush and I'm just going to shade my nose in like this. And now since I have that down, we're going to jump right back into that Cocoa Naughty, and we're just going to tap that on there and just set that contour real good. Set it real good. Highlight that nose real good. You know what I'm saying? We're going to keep that on there. Now since we have that down, y'all, we are going to be jumping into highlight really quick. And I'm gonna just take the same concealer brush, you feel what I'm saying? I'm gonna jump right into Gold Luxe, you know what I'm saying? Ooh, highlight is so addictive for me, it's crazy. We're just gonna do the bottom of the nose right now. And we're gonna take that powder brush, a little highlight in the middle. I'm gonna be jumping into this Sweet Cheeks by NYX. Take that, give myself just a little bit of blush, tie it in just a little bit. All right, my boos, I got real cute, sexy for y'all. So now we're gonna jump into lip real quick, and we're gonna be jumping into the Morphe. This is the trendsetter, y'all. I love this lip liner. Okay, now since we have that down, I'm going to jump into this Lime Crime. I just got a whole bunch of cute little lippies, and this is in the color Cashmere. Can't get enough of Yola, baby. All right, so now spray this face. This is definitely the final look. Like, I really love this graphic new eyeshadow kind of look. I am really feeling this look. I love the way this look came out. Thank you so much for watching me. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like, comment, all that stuff. You already know the deal. Okay? I love you. You make sure you keep God first, because you know we do not play about Jesus on this channel. I love you guys so much, and I will see you, boo, in my next video. Bye.